there's flood here, so it doesn't look like there's gonna be much of people here to come eat. So I'm gonna walk you guys through. Ooh, it is cold. Oh yes. Oh yes. Right now it's about 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock in the evening, and it was raining pretty hard for about an hour. Oh yes. Look at that Nissan there. Very. If it rain anymore any longer, this will be more high than this. I think this is a detour. Everybody's coming in here. Yeah, this. Okay, I think I have to try to make my way over here, because if I don't, I'll be stuck here. All right. So I'm surprised that there is a cord line here. If it goes down onto the, water, I'm not sure if it's gonna be safe. It's gonna be. There's a lot of nice cars around here. This one is new BMW. There's like 3 or 4 BMW. Just look at this guy. Yeah, the vendor is going back home because not many people is walking around to get some food anymore. Thailand is flooded. It's flooding. Yippee! This is exciting. It's a good vacation. Hello, hello. This is the coffee shop that I came and got some coffee at, Coffee Page. But they closed now. Hopefully there's no pothole here. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can go over here. Yeah, this water is not a clean water, all right? So this is what happened when it rained hard just for less than an hour. This is what happened. There's a street a vendor over there. Maybe it's flood too. I'm gonna go over there and check it out. So this is what happened when it started raining. This is the first time since I've been in this hotel. That it flood like this. Oh look, he's impatient. Well, I think I left my phone in the hotel. I should have brought my phone too, but that's alright. This is a little supermarket. I believe it's a supermarket, and it should be all flood too. Oh yeah, it's a hectic. I think over there is a school, a tutor school. There's tutor science, math, English, Thai language, and social. Oh, someone lost their skid plate. Three on a scooter. Yeah, this alley right here, this road right here is very narrow, but people are able to come in and out slowly. Yeah, it looks like this road flooded all the way as far as your eyes could see. Let's walk over here and see how deep is the water here. Oh, oh, that looks deep. It looks deep. It's knee high. Can't be knee high, is it? Well, they're still selling. They're still selling food. Oh yes. This is not a floating market. Oh yeah. We're supposed to have a boat here. Somebody.